So let me show you how you can update your iPhone using your Mac. So all you need to do is to connect your iPhone to your Mac using the cable. So I'm going to do it right now. And once you have it, open Finder on your Mac. And on the left, we want to find your iPhone, which is here under location area. If you don't have it here, you need to go to Finder in the top menu bar. Click on settings and find CDs, DVDs and iOS devices. Make sure to enable this. As you can see, it's appearing and disappearing here. Make sure it's enabled and open your iPhone and you are in general section. I got the latest version on my iOS, and if you want to update it through the MacBook or Mac, click on check for update. So there is another version, 26.2.1. You can download it and update it here, and then you can run that update through the MacBook and update it easily. So that's how you can update it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.